Using the OS module, you can run external programs. So to use the OS module, just type import OS, and then you can start a certain program. So you can list the files in a directory. On a Linux or Mac system, you can use this command. On Windows, that's dir. And so this will just show the files in a directory. If you were to run it, you'll see this command line program is executed. Now, of course, you're interested in graphical programs, so you can start Notepad, or on Linux you have Mousepad or other types of programs. If you were to run it, you'll see the text editor suddenly pops up. So on Windows that would be Notepad, and you can start any program. So this can be Firefox or Chrome or Word or whatever program you want. Using the system command, you can execute external programs, which can be graphical programs, but also command line programs. So if you were to type command line command, you'll see that it executes that. So this is how you would run external programs in Python. And if you were to repeat it, it will be started several times. And so now we would have 3 times it would be run this program. So close it. You see it starts again. Close it, starts again, and then stops. So it starts in order, and so if you and it only continues once you close the program.